Okay, Jack and I have each driven 4.5 hours southeast of Perth, and we are at the Stirling Range National Park. Over the next 2 days, we're going to be doing some hikes. We are starting with Mount Trio, which is a grade 4 hike. Let's go. Alright, so this is the top of Mount Trio. Check this out. Okay, so that was Mount Trio. As you can see, pretty epic views. All up to about 3 Ks. Now we're going to head to TOOLBRUNUP. Alright, TOOLBRUNUP. Jack reckons this is a grade 5 hike. Should be a little bit more difficult than Mount Trio. Alright, so this next bit's just going to be a bit of a scramble. A little bit to go. It's only 2 Ks down. Feels like I've done 50. He's not human. Alright, 2.3 Ks of rock scrambling and we're at the top of TOOLBRUNUP. Check it out. Good suit. That's a lovely spot to stand. Oh. Okay, so that was the TOOLBRUNUP hike. It took us 2 hours and 40 minutes and we hiked 4.4 Ks. Now we're gonna head to BLUFF KNOLL, which is one of the more popular hikes at Stirling Range. Let's go. All right, we've made it to BLUFF KNOLL, which is the crown jewel of the Stirling range. Let's go. The stairs on this hike are absolute torture. It actually reminds me of the Grampians. Alright, 3Ks later, we're at the top of BLUFF KNOLL. BLUFF KNOLL done and dusted. We were supposed to bring 2 cans of rum up to drink them, but we forgot them, which has really sort of dulled the mood. So we're keen to get back to the car and have a rum. Alright, all up, it's 6.3 Ks. It is time for a rumbo. Where is the rum? Oh, hey, hey. So Jack and I pre-booked an unpowered campsite for 2 nights at the Stirling Range Retreat, which is situated at the foot of BLUFF KNOLL. It cost us $75 for both nights, and it offers a swimming pool in the summer months and a communal campfire pit in the cooler months. Facilities also include a large camp kitchen, playground, guest laundry, small shop and nature trails. So I have ran out of fuel and the closest fuel station is actually closed on Sunday. So we're both jumping in Jack's car and we're gonna have to sort out fuel later. Yoo! Alright, hike number 4 for the trip. This one is called TALYUBERLUP. Have a go at this for review. Protect us from the wind. cool is this? TALYUBERLUP. Unbelievable. Alright, to get up here is only like 1.5 k's, but it was, what was it, Jack?
401 to be precise.
401 meters of elevation gain to get up.
Myself.
Yes, elevation gain. Alright, back at the car. 2.8 k's all up, and we are heading to the next hike. Okay, we are on the last hike for the trip, Mount MAGOG. Also the longest hike for the trip. We were going to do 6 hikes, but we're just going to do 5. We're sort of in the process of making a plan to come back and try to do all 6 hikes in one day. So that was the mountain we were just on. Now we are heading up to this one. .8 k's in. We are at the top of Mount MAGOG. Took us an hour and 10 minutes to get here. 550 meters of elevation, and the views are bloody insane. Check this out. So that should pretty much wrap up this hiking trip. Jack and I have made plans to come back and attempt all 6 hikes in one day. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Stay tuned for the next one.